So, hi Kennedy. I wanted to show you this. This will be something like what it looks like in your Teams app when you've downloaded it. Your login details are to the top here. This is where you will enter your login, and that's easy. I wanted to show you something. You can, in this view, when you see the posts, you can also click on Files. Okay, in Files, it takes a little while to load, which is why I want to show you this. You will see the files we uploaded, which are the copy of the files in Dropbox, which you can access. Now you can access these here, and it is true you can drag things into here. It's not bad, but it's not great. Okay, so I think what is better is if you click this button here, Sync. When you click that, it will actually open a dialog. Let me do it. I might not do it because I'm already, no, I won't do it. It'll open a dialog with OneDrive here. Okay. When you have OneDrive installed, it will go through that process automatically. And what you will see happens is then in your normal folder view. Yeah. Let me bring that onto the screen. Okay. This is your normal folder view. Yeah. This is where you'll be able to see my computer, all the normal things. Yeah. And in here, what will appear is Deutsche Gesellschaft für Internationale Zusammenarbeit. Yeah. And it will appear. And you won't have all of these ones, but you will have We Do Cameroon Coaches with Guests, Africa, BIP. And you will also have Coaches with Guests, Cameroon. But this is the one you want. You click on this one, and then you can navigate these files just like you would any normal folder. Just like anything normal. Click in here, open it up. You can select things, you can move things, you can do anything you like. So it's completely normal. Okay. I thought that might be of interest to you. I'm going to put this video on YouTube and send you a link.